It's me, MsEbonyV. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little different. You know I like to throw in a little different type of videos every once in a while. So this is a makeup type of video where I am doing an everyday, natural, no foundation makeup look today. So if it's something you're interested in and you want to know how to just kind of spruce up real quick, real fast, just to kind of get out the door on an everyday, continue watching. All right, y'all, so let's get into this makeup look. Don't mind my hair and my install. I'm in the middle of it and I'm not done with it, okay? So don't judge me. So, of course, I'm starting off with clean canvas, clean and moisturized canvas. And now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my mattifying primer, I like to call it. This is a MAC Prep and Prime. It's called Skin Redefined Zone Reductor. Like when I tell you, this thing is serious and probably very underrated if you have super oily skin like me. Super oily skin, so this thing mattifies me so nicely and I love it. I've been using it for years. My good friend Ruben, another makeup artist, put me onto this, and honey, I've been using it ever since. Gets rid of a lot of that oil. So now I'm gonna try to move through this as quickly as possible. Again, don't mind my wig. We are not secured. I can see her lifting on the sides. Just don't even mind her. I'll handle her later. So the primary product for this look is this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. This goes under my eyes, on my eyelids, over my lip, and a little pinch over this little dark line on my nose. That's it. That's the base. Now I have severe smile lines, so that's why I always start in the middle and then blend out to these smile lines. I try to get as little product as possible in these lines. So I put all the product right here in the middle first. So now I'm going to set this in place with my Fenty Beauty setting powder in honey and just a little bit. I don't need a whole ton. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Instant Warm Bronzer in the color Mocha Mami. That's what that looks like. And y'all see I use the heck out of this thing. I am at the pan, honey. So we're going to put this all over my eyelid. This is usually what I like to use to warm up my eyes. I don't need a whole lot of eyeshadow. Nothing too deep, very nice, subtle, and warm. Alright, so this next step is optional and it's just to throw a little liner on top. I did a little baby wing on one eye already, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this eye as well. All right, so this next step is also optional. Lashes or no lashes, your choice. I'm a lash chick, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw on these Amazon lashes that I have. Your preference, you can use whatever lash that you desire or not at all. So, all right, so lashes are in place. Now I'm just gonna quickly blend, you know, where I stop with the concealer, with the rest of my face, with my foundation powder, so that everything just kind of blends a little bit more than it does, so it don't look a little blotchy. So let's do that. So I'm using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Tan. It's just like my holy grail right here. And I'm just gonna blend right in the concealer on my face. So we got that a little more blended. Now I'm gonna go back into my Fenty Beauty, what is this called? Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer color, and the color Mocha Mami, that same color that I put on my eyelids, and just kind of, you know, carve out a little section and go around the edge of my face. Contour just a pinch, not a whole lot. Real subtle and easy and simple, nothing too harsh. I see a little too much harshness going on right here, so I'm just gonna blend that out. I don't want harshness. All right, now I'm just gonna add a little liner to my waterline underneath, a little black liner. All right, so there's that. Super quick, right? None of this is taking a lengthy amount of time. So this next step is also optional. I just kind of like to waken up the inner corners of my eyes. I'm just gonna kind of go in with this little shimmer color here and put that right in the corner of my eyes. Nothing serious, nothing deep, just a little pinch, and we're done. Optional step. All right, so before I throw on my lips, the final step is basically to just clean up my eyebrows a little bit. I have micro shaded eyebrows, so they're kind of already set. I do like to just kind of go in and define them a little further because in my opinion, they're not even. So, you know, that's what happens when you do something permanent and they're not even right when you do it permanent. So I'm gonna go in and just kind of fix up my eyebrows a little bit and then we'll be done. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. Super easy breezy, right? Nothing to it. It looked like I did my whole face in foundation, and I did not. I used no foundation whatsoever. Just concealer where I needed to conceal, a little setting powder, bronzer on my eyes, bronze around my face. Super easy everyday makeup look when you're not in the mood for foundation. And that is me more times than you know. I probably put foundation on my face like 2 times a week, if that. So this is my go-to. This is my go-to when I just want to look alive, at least. I want to look awakened. So I'll do this little look right here and I'm good to go. I will go right on out the door. just like this all the time. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this. Is this something you would do? Is this something you would try? Is this something you already do? Let me know. Let's chat about it down in the comments below. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video. Bye, y'all.